Hello everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial. Here I'll be showing you how to design an NFT flyer here in CorelDraw. Alright, it's very simple and very easy to do. So without any further ado, let's begin. So we'll be making use of the CorelDraw 2020 here, and note that it can be achieved with any other version of CorelDraw, so long as you follow every process I'll be showing here. So I'll be very detailed as possible. So I already have the resources I'll be making use of for this design. So these are the resources I'll be making use of, and the write-up I already have them here in my Microsoft Word here. So before I proceed on any design, I always make sure I have all the necessary informations listed out, so to make my work very smooth and fast, like I'll be doing here. So this is the interface for the CorelDraw 2020. So this is the welcome screen. So we'll go to new document, then once we click on it, this dialog box appears here, and so we can name it. So if you can't find this dialog box here, I have a video in the description below on how to create a new document dialog box, so you can check it out. So that aside, let's create a new document here. So you can give it a name, whatever name you want. NFT flyer design. Then the number of pages should be 1. The preset custom, the size here, we should change this to inches. Yeah. Then the width should be 8. Then the height should be 10. The resolution is okay. Then the orientation should be portrait. Yeah, we're okay with that. Then these are default settings, so it's okay like that. Then you click on OK. So here we are now. So like I said, these are the resources we're making use of here. So you can highlight them, then Ctrl+C to copy, then Ctrl+V to paste. So you hold on Ctrl, you drag to your left. Alright, so like I said, we have our text already. So what we'll make use of first, what we'll do first is to create our background before we can input the text. So you double click on the rectangle to here. Double click on the rectangle to here. And it assumes the shape of the drawing page. So this white area here is the drawing page. So P to fit this shape we just created here to the drawing page. P to fit the drawing page. Okay. Then after then we make use of this our first background here. So you hold on Shift and you drag. Then you power clip, you drag, then you drop, then power clip inside. So edit power clip. So you can decide to flip it. So you click on it, then hold on Control, then you drag. So whichever one. So I prefer, let's do it this way. So you can choose whichever one works for you. And P also to fit the drawing page. Alright, so once you're done, you can hold either Control or you click on either Control, then you click outside, or you click on finish. Alright, so let's apply a transparency fill of 20. The transparency should be 20. Okay, 20, then hit enter. Alright, so let's move the outline, come to this area, none, or you right click on this area. Yes. So after that, we'll make use of this background here. So rather than power clipping it again, you just hold on W, then you drop it inside the power clip, then you edit the power clip, and hold on Shift okay, before that, P to fit to join page so that it will fit to the center. Hold on shift, then you drag, and you drag till it covers this area, this blue area here. So you can also apply transparency fill here. So make use of the transparency tool here. It should be, let's choose hard light here. Yes, we want the flyer to have that NFT fill, NFT vibe there. So this is okay. If you notice, the first background we use is showing here, so it's very easy and it's making a lot of sense now. So after then, either click on finish or you hold on control, then you click outside. So this is where we are now. So we can make use of this photo here. The short colors, hold on W, then you drag into this area here. So you can drag. So you can make use of this later. So now let's focus on the text now. So we'll go to Microsoft Word here. So we'll select first text here. This should be the heading. So you right click, then you copy. So this is the color we're making use of here. So we can make use of the eyedropper tool to pick it. So now we copy the text, select the shape, the text tool, then Ctrl+V to paste, and you click on OK. Yeah, so this is the text we copied from Microsoft Word. So this is not pure RGB black, so this is what we'll do. And I also have a video in the description below on how to change your default color mode in CorelDraw. It's very simple. So all this should be on caps lock. The shortcut key is Shift F3, or you also highlight Ctrl+A, then Shift F3. Sorry, yeah, Shift F3 to 114. That's shortcut key. But I'll follow this process here. So everything should be uppercase and OK. So we'll be making use of two fonts for this design, the Montserrat font and the Monument fonts. So we'll break this. This should be shortened. Yeah. Learn and master NFT. This should have a small s, yes. NFT is like a pro with Ogamezi here, and hit on enter. So you break this, Ctrl+K. Let's undo that, or you go to text. Then there's an area where you can break the text here. Can't find it, but the shortcut key is Ctrl+K. So you break it text to be individual. Alright, so the first text, I said we'll be making use of the monument. Alright. Alright, monument extended regular. So should highlight everything and give it a white color. So you drag it to this area here. Alright, so we should also enter this. So let's drag this to the bottom. So enter this. The NFT should be bold, so I have to break this, Ctrl+K. Alright, so let's drag this to the bottom too. I like this, hold on Control and drag it to the bottom. Then so the font for this would be Montserrat black, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so let's select this first and we'll change it now. So Montserrat black, yes. So we can drag this, yeah, and hold on shift, then click on this, then C to centralize. Then like a pro should be monument again. So you drag this, but this NFT has to have this color we chose here, this color. So we'll make use of the eyedropper tool, or just drag this and copy all properties, so whichever one. But the difference is that the color won't appear on the document palette, so I have to do all those processes. So the best way is to just use the color eyedropper tool, then select the color, then use it here, then it appears on the document palette. This is the document palette. Alright, so I'm making progress now. So we'll make use of the rectangle tool, so you drag. Alright, so we should give it a white color. Hold on, control drag to the top. Then we'll select the Polygon tool. So hold on shift and control, then you drag. So we need a triangle, so reduce the sides here. Yeah, this is perfect. Yes, so remove outline, give it a fill color, remove outline, right click here and click on it again, hold on control, then you drag. So you can reduce the size, hold on shift to reduce it uniformly. Alright, hold on shift, then E for horizontal alignment, if I'm not mistaken. So after that we create this same box again, this same shape we created again, but this time without the rectangle, but and also with a different color. So you drag it to this area here, so we give it this color now. Alright, so let's highlight this, let's group them, then shift plus page up, or you come to this area. Yeah, so you can decide to weld this, ungroup it, then you weld it so they'll be together. Alright, so I think we still have to break this again. Enter, then Control plus K. So the font to be using also here is Monument, but this time with this color, and the font size should be reduced. This is perfect. And go to, you can't see the object is below the shape. Objects, order to front of page. Alright, then hold on shift, then E, then C, sorry, and select this, change the font to Monument, to maintain the color. The size of this is 8, the size of this should be 8 too. Alright, we still have to reduce the size. Let's bring the text to front of the object. Objects, order to front of page. Right, so let's reduce it to let's say 6. This should be 6 as well. And hold on shift, select this, then E, and you drag this to the middle. So you highlight them so that they all align with this. So you can make use of your lines here. So you can highlight these ones, then you drag till it reaches this line here, so they are properly aligned. So we're making progress. This is the title we created now, so you can delete this, select it, and delete. So we create another shape again using the rectangle tool, so we can put the dates. So for this time we give it a white color. So right click to remove outline. So let's copy the date from Microsoft. So you just copy this, right click and you copy, and also it will be on caps lock here. So select this font, drag to the bottom, select this font, drag, then right click to create a duplicate. Let's undo that, and select the font first, and you drag, then right click to create a duplicate. Alright, so select the text tool, Ctrl+A, then paste, Ctrl+V, and OK. So I have to change the font to Monument here. This font will go, or Montserrat, whichever one. I think Montserrat will be fine. Let's try Montserrat, but not this one. Let's try Montserrat bold. Then we'll reduce the size to 6. Okay, the text case should be all on uppercase, and okay. So we still have to reduce it, let's say 4, and enter. Alright, so we'll be making use of the Montserrat bold here. So we change the color to this, then you can also increase the size to, let's say 4.5, then hit enter. So you hold on shift, so select the text, hold on shift, then you click on this white shape here, then C and E. It's very simple. So you select the text, hold on shift, then you drag till you're satisfied. Also this is okay. So you can increase the size of the header here. So we're making a whole lot of progress here. This is actually very nice. Alright, so also make use of the, since we're done with the title of the flyer and we've already written the date, so let's go into the content of the flyer, the details. So before that, let's create this. Still make use of the rectangle tool, so you just drag, so let's give it a white color, then right click to move outline, you go to the shape tool and you notice this node here, then you drag. So this is perfect. So let's make use of the polygon tool here, hold on shift and Ctrl to drag. Then we need a triangle with 3 sides, so we should give it a white color. Then I'll mirror this down, come to this area, mirror it down. Yeah, this is fine. So you can highlight this and weld everything so they're together now. So we can also reduce the transparency to, let's say 40. 40 would be fine. Yeah, 40 is fine. And let's apply a gradient fill here, that is adding 2 colors. So using the interactive fill tool here, select it, then you drag, then you drag this color to this area here, then you adjust to your satisfaction. So once it's fine by you, then you can proceed. So this is okay with me. So let's copy the text from the day one. So let's copy this. Alright, so you select the text tool here, then you Ctrl+V, then OK. So I'll make use of the monument, but this time not monument, make use of monument extended ultra. So you select RGB black, so the color should be white. Yeah, this is much better now. Yeah, this is much better. So we align it to the middle. And also we can create a duplicate of this. So the class will be holding for 4 days, for 3 days, and other bonuses. The monument extended ultra bold. So we can increase the size to let's say 12. So 12 is fine. So this should be at the middle. Hold on shift, then select the shape, then C for vertical alignment if I'm not mistaken, then E for horizontal alignment. So you adjust it to your preference. Alright, so like I said, the class will be holding for 3 days and other bonuses too. So we drag this. Once it highlights the text and the shape, you drag this, hold on Control, then you drag and drop, and right click to create a duplicate. So we can edit this manually rather than copying it. So day 2, which will be on a Saturday. I hold on Control and drag this. You highlight the both of them, then you drag to the bottom. So this is day 3, which is a Sunday. Alright guys, if you've watched this video up to this moment, do well to hit on the subscribe button and turn on post notification bell so that you won't miss any of our videos. Thank you. So the 4th section here should be level bonus. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, the bonus here. Yeah, bonuses. Alright. Okay, this is perfect. I drag this to the middle. Okay, so you can highlight these two and move them here. So now let's bring in the text for day 1, which is Friday. So these are the contents there. So let's copy. So select the shape tool and Ctrl+V to paste, and I'm OK. So let's give this a white color so that it can be able to fit perfectly here. So we'll make use of the Montserrat bold, and then we'll reduce the size to 9. Yeah, that is for day 1. And also for day 2, so highlight the content here, select them, right click, then copy. Alright, so sorry, day 2 is supposed to be here, so we change this, so we bring this here, and the 3 is supposed to be here. Alright, so select the shape tool and Ctrl+V and OK, and the size should be, the size of this is 9, so this should be 9 as well. So change the font to Montserrat bold, change the color to white, so we need to make sure it aligns with this one. So you select this text here, select this, then L for left alignment. Alright, so we'll move on to day 3. And also if you've been working up to this moment, endeavor to hit on the Ctrl+S button to save your work. But for the sake of this tutorial, I won't bother about it or save it. I already have a copy already. So you doing it from your end, always endeavor to hit on Ctrl+S to save your work. And also I have a video in the description below on how to enable auto backup, maybe when you forgot to save your work, so you can check it out in the description below. It will be very helpful. Yeah, so day 3, which is Sunday, then you select the content that will be there, so you highlight them, right click, then you copy, select the shape, the text tool, then Ctrl+V. Okay, so change the font size to 9 points, then the font should be Montserrat, and the color should be white. So select this, and yeah, this is okay. Select this, then select this, then T for top alignment. Let me undo it so that you understand. Select this first, hold on Shift to select the second text, then T for top alignment. So for the bonuses, which is also part of the day 3, so select this, then you right click to copy, then the text to Ctrl+V. Okay, and change the text size to 9 points so that it will be uniform as this ones, and change it from calibrate to Montserrat bold, and the white color. And hold on Shift, then select this like we did, then T for top alignment. Hold on this, then you select this, then L for left alignment. Like I said, don't forget to always click on Ctrl+S to save the job. So we can highlight this and drag it to the top also to create space for the other information that will be coming below. So you can still drag this down a bit so that there can be a space there. Alright, so the next one is to add these circles here. It draws circles just to number them, and let's click to move outline. Bring it to this area here. So you break each sentence here, Ctrl plus K, then you highlight this, then E for horizontal alignment. Yes, and you drag this, right click to go to duplicate, then select this, hold on shift, select the circle, hold on shift, then you select the text, then E. Do same for this, and E for horizontal alignment. So since these two are aligned to the top, so you just drag this and drag to this area here. Alright, so drag this text, so hold on Control, then right click and drag to the bottom too. So you break its text here, Ctrl plus K, you delete this, so hold on shift, click on this, hold on shift and E for horizontal alignment, and this E. So you just repeat the same process, Ctrl R, 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 R. So just to be sure they are properly aligned, hold on shift, select this E, then E, select the circle, shift, hold on shift, select the text E, then you repeat the same process. Yeah, so this is okay. But if you notice, the texts are almost close to the circle, so I think we should move them. So let's group this, Ctrl plus G, Ctrl plus G. So select this one, then hold on shift, select this, so this is okay now. Right, so you can, since they are both aligned to the top, so you just select this and this, and you drag, right, then hold on Control, then drag, right click to create a duplicate, and you group this, select this, Ctrl plus G, then select this, then L for left alignment. So we do same for the text too, Ctrl plus G. So we didn't break this one, then L for left alignment. So these ones are aligned properly, so we can still move this. So use your arrow keys on your keyboard, so you move them. Right, so we're making progress here. So you highlight this and you drag to the top. Alright, so let's bring this closer, and let's select this, group, then we drag. Alright, so the next one is to add these informations that are below: the time, the price, and the details of payment. Alright, so let's create the boxes there. For time, so I like, then you copy, and make use of the rectangle tool here. Alright, so give it this color, right click to move outline. So you paste this, Ctrl+V, okay. You select the monument font, not the extra bold one. So you give it a white color. Okay, how about select the Montserrat bold. That one is much preferred. So we change the case. The shortcut key is Shift+F3. So that dialog box would appear there. So this is okay. Let's increase this to, let's say, 12. And select the text, select the shape C for vertical alignment, then E for horizontal alignment. Yeah. So you drag this, press Q to duplicate, drag this, right click. So you can adjust this to be more bigger. For the phone number too, for the phone number to be here. Alright, so we can also drag this. Let's drag this to the right here. So I think we need to make this more bigger too. Let's delete this. So we can still increase the size. Okay, this is not too big though, so this is okay. So we can drag this. And this is fine. So the price will be here. So the price, let's copy this. Ctrl+V. Okay. Like I said, don't forget to always save the work. And also, if you watch this video up until this moment, do also hit on the subscribe button and turn on post notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Alright, so the size of this is 14 points. This should be 14 points. Alright, so let's change the case. Alright, so let's give it a white color. The text is selected, hold on Shift and you click on this shape here, C and E. Alright, so they will balance very well. So now let's add the details for payment. So right click, then you copy. Alright, Ctrl+V. Okay, so this should be white. Then the size will change now. So Montserrat bold. So let's make use of the shape tool to adjust the text. Okay, so I think this size is perfect considering the information that is there already. So this size is okay. So now the number here, this is the number I'll be making use of. Okay, I didn't add the number, so can make use of my number or a random number here. Let's undo Ctrl+Z. You drag to the bottom, right click to create a duplicate. So Ctrl+A. So let's write the number now. Alright, so this is the number of making use of here. Hold on Shift C+E, C and E, sorry. So we need to add the image here. So let's blend this to the background. So shift to drag. Alright, so make use of the transparency tool here. So let's drag this. You hold on shift, then you drag to any particular direction and you adjust it to your preference. So let's drag this. So rather than going to the shape to the transparency tool, so you just hit on the space bar, then the tool appear back. This is applicable to other tools as well. So you just adjust it to your preference. So once you're done, you either hold on Control, then you click outside. So far so good. This is how far we've gone. So rather than entering the power clip to edit, you can hold on Alt, then select any of the objects inside, so we can adjust from here. Alright, so this is fine. So we can do delete this. So you can highlight this now. Then full screen display. Alright, so once you're done with your job, it's best to always cross check for any corrections or modifications before you can send to your client for approval. Sorry, we didn't duplicate this properly. Let's drag, let's click to duplicate. So hold on shift, select this, then C, so it can be aligned properly. Alright, so let's group everything here. Ctrl plus G, then P to fit to drawing page. Then hold on shift and you drag. Yeah. So guys, this is it on how to create an NFT flyer here in CorelDraw. Alright, it's very simple and very easy to do. Also, I'll be attaching the link to download the resources used on this design, so you can try it out on your own. Alright guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video tutorial.